What?
The balloon, except the balloon. Ah! No. Ow, you hit me in the eyeball. I'm sorry. You got me in the arm. Why are you grabbing my boobs? Why are you doing this? Why are you hurting me? I'm gonna kill you with this balloon.
Be careful. There's a really sharp point
I'm
there.
gonna kill you. You're gonna die. Let go. Let go. I hate you. You're so mean to my boobs. Give me a hand.
That was just a goom.
You can hear Angel screaming from the other room. If she were out here, she'd be going nuts.
Stop poking me in the side. I can see your feelings. You're neat looking.